Welcome back to another edition of Trial by Fire. I'm going to try and spice up a little bit with some chicken. Stay tuned and find out how spicy it's going to get. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, follow, the usual social media stuff. Check us out on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. And I appreciate you guys watching this. I really do. Without you guys, there would be no channel. So I do this for myself, but I also do it for you. So thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click that bell. Do the notification stuff. And enjoy the rest of the show. Welcome back. As you can see, and by the title, I'm assuming you figured out I'm having some spicy chicken noodle soup. Not anything too spicy. Did a pre-read on the ingredients. I'm not going to bore you with that. The only spice that's been added to the chicken noodle is paprika. So it's not going to be anything that spicy on its own. Now, knowing me, of course, I've got to change that. So give me a moment and I will have some magical soup appear. And there's the soup. So yeah, Campbell's chunky spicy chicken noodle. I will give this a try first because you never know, it could surprise me. As I said, not expecting a whole lot except for chicken noodle with a bit of more spice like paprika. That's all it says on there. But who knows? There is a little bit of something else by the taste of it. Either that or it's just maybe with my smoked paprika. But as you can see, I have a few containers in front of me. So I'm going to slowly take this up. I have some Moruga Scorpion powder, some dill pepper powder, some ghost pepper, and some Reaper. Obviously not in heat order there, but so we're going to start with the dill, which is 300,000, and go from there. A little bit at a time. Not going to add a lot, but going to add enough. Oh, you smell that. The spice. The spice of life. That we don't live in Dune for the spice. So 300,000 Scoville chicken noodle soup. Or, well, theoretically. Probably could use a little bit more. Since I'm adding more to it each time. I know. Small bit of heat distribution there. Now we're going to go with the Moruga, which, according to this, okay, maybe I'll hold off on that one because according to this it says 2 million. With the ghost pepper, which I know is roughly 1 million. Now I'm probably putting maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of each in. If anybody's wondering exactly how much is going in. Just kind of eyeballing it, as you can tell. Nice stir. Don't want to spill any of this wonderful broth. Now I'm sure if I cooked with this in it, it would taste a whole lot more heat and flavoring throughout, but I wanted to do it bit by bit. Which is a very good song too, by the way. Anyways, so
1 million Scoville unit chicken noodle. I should bring in the heat. Definitely bring in the heat now. Now I know why they don't do this as a heat level for the soup, because they want to sell as much as possible. But if anybody happens to be working for Campbell's, or even as a thing for chili heads, yeah, crank it up a bit. Definitely good there. I'm already starting to feel the sinuses hitting in from the smelling of the powder and from the heat. And I will grab a paper towel just to. So now we're going to go with the Moruga Scorpion 2 million powder. Ooh. I love the smell of these powders. Just the smell of the pepper, the heat coming off of it. I'll try to get as much of this mixed in as possible. So now we're at 2 million Moruga flavored chicken noodle soup. Mm-hmm. Heat's there. I think there's a little bit of powder on that noodle, or the other powder's just got a nice kick. Try to get some chicken in this one as well. Decent amount. Now to add the Reaper. Again, 2 million. So technically I've added roughly 5.5 or 5.3 million Scoville, but I know it doesn't add up that way. Definitely changing the color of the broth from an orange to a brown. Some chicken, some noodle, and some vegetables. Reaper, Moruga, Ghost, Dill, paprika, chicken noodle soup. Oh yeah, she got the heat now. Oh. What else do I have? Ooh. Definitely got bite. Ooh. Just looking at what else I have. I thought about the bomb, but I don't want the taste to be ruined. Without kicking it up to with a pure extract, I think that's going to be my limit for now. Yeah. So 2 million Scoville chicken noodle soup. That's the way to have spicy chicken noodle. When every bite takes your breath away, you know you got a good soup. Here's the foreman. Eats there. Remind you, 2 million isn't the same as it was for the 1-chip challenge because it's a liquid in this one, but it's hitting a lot different with the different peppers. Some spicy carrots. Ooh, it was so good. So nice and hot and spice. Good for the body. Good on a cool day like it is today. Keep debating about adding something else, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna happen. My eyes are watering too much, and my nose is running. It's good. My tolerance is at a good peak today. But yeah, so Campbell's chunky, spicy chicken noodle. Don't have it in Canada again. Don't have a lot of stuff in Canada that really is interesting. Kind of boring at times. But, oh. Yeah, Reaper, Ghost Pepper, Muruga, and Ditil. Probably didn't grab them in the right order there. But yeah. I don't think he wants to watch me eat an entire bowl of chicken noodle. I will eat it slowly. But thanks for watching. Do the usual: subscribe, like, follow, comment, all the usual stuff you do. And don't forget to enjoy the heat, stay spicy, and we'll see you next time. Well, I enjoy my really, really spicy chicken noodle soup. Sadly, it's on my lips, so that's kind of a killer right now.